Hey, what's up everybody? So, skin shine, you hate it, don't you? Well, okay, in this particular shot we wanted shiny skin, but that's another matter. Still, if you have skin shine and you didn't want it, you didn't tackle it in hair and makeup, and you want to get rid of it, everybody always asks me what's the best way. Well, honestly, the best way is this. This is the MVP Action Skin Depth Pro 2. It does a lot of things, and we have videos about that, but when it comes to fixing skin shine, it's pretty much unmatched. So, I'm gonna go ahead and run it. I'll fast forward during the running because it's probably gonna take about 35-40 seconds to run. And then once we have our layers sort of, set up with the extractions and everything, we can knock out the shininess, no problem at all. So here we go. Let's go ahead and run it. All right, now it's run. So again, we have a huge layer stack, which we have videos that explain what all of that does, which is great for skin toning and shaping and everything else. But what we have right here that we want to look at is highlights HSL or HSB really replacement. Now this little color layer right here, it's a solid color layer. It's currently on white. Double click it. You open up your color picker. Now what you can do is with your eyedropper tool, click a region of skin that you want to replace all of the white shininess with. So for example, I'm going to choose like right here. And there you go. We started the process of getting rid of everything we need to get rid of. Okay. Now you might think, oh, it looks a little pasty and chalky. It doesn't look quite right. That's okay though. We got started. Okay. So the hue, we have to dial in our hue, but let's go ahead and go to saturation and see what happens with our saturation. Maybe we want to add a little bit lighter. Let's go to brightness and make it a little bit lighter. Bring back some of that reality. See, I can, again, dial in anything I want. I can scale it down like that. I can bring it down to there. The hue may be a little bit redder, so we're going to make that number a little lower. Okay, and then the saturation, we're going to increase that just a bit. And then back to the brightness, maybe a little bit more. Let's go ahead and hit OK on that. So we go from this to this. I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit too to show you. Here again. Off and on. You see that? So a lot of times when people ask me, hey, how do I get rid of skin shine? The problem is that you end up getting, you get rid of all the texture, and that's not good. Here we can dial in the exact color and tone that we need. So I'm going to make it actually a little bit more yellow and just ever so slightly less saturated. And then on the brightness, again, I can do anything I want. If I want pure black, I can get pure black. But I want to just dial in the brightness. If I make it completely even, as you can see, then it starts getting like pasty and chalky. But if I brighten it just a little bit to where I have a little bit of reduction, something like that, maybe a little bit less. There we go. And because we're not doing like a curves or darkening or something like that, or exposure or trying to paint over it, we're literally replacing the pixels. There you go. There's on, there's off. And there's on. And running Skin Depth Pro 2 just for this is huge, absolutely huge. And don't forget, on top of that, if you don't like it doing everything, you can go to your main folder of the entire layer stack and you have the mask there. You can just fill it with black, okay? And then you can just paint with white on the areas that you want. You can even technically paint with a flow and reduce. See that? So I got like a 10% flow and I'm reducing, and I'm not just painting color, I'm actually replacing pixels. See that? So I can reduce where I want ever so slightly, smartly, and it went from there to there. Or you can make it full on, right? You can make the whole thing, 100%. But that reduction of shine without losing texture is the hallmark of the whole process, and that's what Skin Depth Pro 2 can do for you. So please watch the other videos on it. If you have any other questions, leave a comment below. Drop me an email, nbp@ninobatista.com. But if you haven't tried this, you're going to be completely blown away at the power of being able to control HSL, HSB replacement like this to get these kind of results that looks real. And people think, oh, okay, cool. Because one last comment. I get this question probably once a month from somebody on social media or via email. I'm having trouble with shiny skin. I couldn't get rid of it on set. And now everything I do just ruins it. I'm telling you, 99% of the time, this stack is going to be able to solve it for you. Now, with that said, from a photographer to photographer, if you can solve it on set, you're going to be a lot happier and you're going to have a lot better of a result. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Try to solve that on set, just like flyaway hairs and things like that. The more you can do on set, the better. However, we all know sometimes you just have to fix it. And there's nothing better than Skin Depth Pro 2 to fix shiny skin.